Hello, this is Anton Kharitonov, a financial analyst and trader with over 10 years of experience and an expert at Traders Union. When I first explored Deriv's trading conditions, I was pleasantly surprised by their simplicity and flexibility. There are no complicated account types or hidden fees. Everything is clear, straightforward, and transparent. The minimum deposit starts from just $5, making Deriv an accessible option for beginners looking to enter the world of trading without major financial commitment. Leverage is thoughtfully adjusted based on the region and asset type, reaching up to 130 for Forex pairs and up to 150 for CFDs, providing a balanced approach to managing risk. Spreads on popular currency pairs, such as EUR/USD, start as low as 0.1 pips, offering highly competitive trading conditions. Deriv also gives clients access to a wide range of assets, including Forex, commodities, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and their exclusive synthetic indices that are available for trading 24/7. Deriv is a global company that operates responsibly under regulatory oversight, ensuring a high standard of client protection and business transparency. Instead of highlighting disadvantages, it's worth mentioning that every trading experience has its nuances. And at Deriv, these are managed with clear communication and a strong focus on client needs.